Hello and welcome to Treasure Chest and welcome back to another video. So guys, I just went into my local Plato's Closet. It's a thrift store for kids and look what I found. I love this ring. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is a huge honking piece of Labradorite. I've been wanting a ring like this forever. Someone hand wrapped this on a mantle and then they soldered around there. It looks like with copper. Guys, that is so amazing. $3, guys, $3, and worth every single penny. It's a good quality piece. Somebody really spent the time and soldered it up right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.